Week 4. Week 4, day 1. I sincerely apologize if my form is shit. I was already doing some drills. Alright, let's get it started. So I'm toning down the difficulty a bit because week 4, it's leveling up again. This is the calm before the storm. Alright, let's get this. Warm up with 9 reps of the front fold sleds. So here, slide forward, up as high as you can, feel the stretch, come back down. There's 1 rep, repeat 9 times. Then we're gonna do our weird L-sit, slide out, crunch thing. You're forward, hips out, hips up high, crunch in, hips back as far as possible, come out. That is 1 rep, repeat 9 times. Next, you're gonna do your straddle closes on your back. Up, out, close. That is 1 rep. Repeat that for 9 times. And that is warm up. We are now going to get into the circle flare traces. We're going to be doing the half and half, but at every half we're going to do the circle leg lifts. Alright, so lift, lift, we're going to go out, swing around, lift, lift, go out, swing around. That is 1 rep. Repeat for 3 sets of 3. Then we're doing the other direction. Same thing, other direction. Excuse me. We're gonna go up, up, swing around, up, up, out, swing around. That is 1 rep. Repeat for 3 sets of 3. Final exercise is our classic side plank leg lifts. Gonna go up, down. 3 sets of 6, both sides. And that is week 4, day 1.